A4.
And we're off to Hollywood Studio. Babe's fault, we're in a race. Got it all wrong. Yes.
Me? No.
Yeah. It was.
Me.
Got here. Disney Hollywood Studios.
Quite like it.
But you like this one?
Oh, yeah, I like the
I think that's the toilets, babe. This is quite funky, this one. Here we go. Why are you liking this one more then?
I like the funky sort of design, funkiness of it.
Yeah.
I don't get me wrong, I still love Animal Kingdom. They've each got their own individual sort of, you know.
So first impressions then, we're looking at Hollywood Tower compared to, you reckon? Whoops. Sorry. We're still in a bit of a hurry. We're hoping to get our fast pass. Aren't we, babe?
Yeah.
Here we go. So, what do you think of Tower Terrace?
Oh, it's still my number one, still my favourite ride, and also it's so different to Paris, so it's longer move around. Yeah, definitely number one still.
Where are you going, babe?
Rocking roller coaster.
That's quite cool, isn't it? That's where I got told off in Euro Disney.
Huh?
Where I got told off for filming in Euro Disney.
Yeah.
This is longer as well. Yep. This one scares the shit out of me for some reason.
Yeah, why not?
150 minutes. Wow. Nah. This is the one. So you ready to rock? Baby, you ready to rock? Oh, the Star Wars show's on. So, what did you think of your funnel cake?
It was delicious, but it was just far too much. It's only because we were using some of our snack credits up, but it was far too much. One is plenty to share between probably 3 people.
Well, babe, it's quite cool. Oh, it's not still. Yeah. We got.
Grown-up lemonade.
Where's that from?
From Woody's Lunchbox.
It's recording. recording. Look who's behind you. How long have you been waiting?
About 40 minutes.
Do you want to go?
Not after waiting this time.
Run off the soldiers behind you, babe. Do your hand.
Slinky Dog.
Whereabouts?
We're on the back of the by the back.
Tail behind us. Here we go, here we go. Halfway, babe. What do you reckon? What do you reckon, babe?
Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
So I think that was quite a good ride, do you? Love it. Let's go now. Are we?
Play pizza. You get a fountain drink.
Sorry.
Put a pound there.
Quite warm in here as well. The buzzing boat.
Hi, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like and comment below. Thank you.